Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some beautiful simple hairstyles. So tie the hairs like this using the hair bands and your hairstyle is ready. Next, fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs and fix the hairs into it. Now roll it and fold it on the top to make a bun. Fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs from both the sides on the back and then rotate it. Tie all the hairs, divide it from the between and fold it upward. Fix it using the hair clutch and it's done. Next, tie the ponytail, make the plaits on small sections. By using this hairstyling tool, fix the hairs inside it like this. Tie the hairs together and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this, make the plaits by dividing it. Fix this bun stick on the top, make the plaits on the sides, fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, for making this hairstyle, we will be needing this hair tool. So fix it in the hairs and then take the hairs from the sides and fix it around it like this. Make the plaits on the end and it's ready. Thanks for watching.